Let's make a snack called crispy corn in 10 minutes. Let's peel off the corn kernels and separate them. Now let's turn on the stove and place a vessel filled with water. We'll use this to boil the corn. If you like, you can add a pinch of turmeric and a little salt to the water. This is totally optional. Let the corn boil on a high flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now let's take out the boiled corn. Spread it out nicely so that all the extra moisture dries up and wait for a couple of minutes. Now let's get some veggies ready. Finely chop onion, green chili, capsicum, and a spoon of ginger garlic paste, some chili flakes if you like, and a pinch of oregano. Both of these are optional. Now place a tava on the stove, add 3 to 4 spoons of cooking oil, and toss in the veggies. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the moisture is removed from the corn, we're ready for the next step. Now add 2 to 3 spoons of Maida.
Please stay if you believe in tomorrow. Please say.
Next, add 2 to 3 spoons of cornstarch.
Tell you hope is gone if you don't stay. I tell you I am done if you don't show me the way. Please stay, if only for today.
Now mix everything well so that the coating on the corn is nice and even.
Please stay when you see the sky is low. Please pray. I know you don't believe so. Please stay when I demand you.
If you like it spicy, you can add some chili powder too.
Say I am the one you will follow. I tell you hope is gone if you don't stay. I tell you I am done if you don't show me the way.
Don't forget to add a little salt.
Stay, if only for today.
If you feel the coating looks less, just sprinkle a little water, add some more cornstarch, and mix again. Now, let's deep fry the corn in hot oil. You'll notice bubbles forming. Those bubbles are just the moisture and water content coming out of the corn. Fry the corn until the bubbles reduce. That's when you know it's nice and crispy. Once done, remove the corn and place it aside so the extra oil can drain out. Now for the finishing touch, add some chili flakes and a pinch of oregano to the pan along with the fried crispy corn. Mix everything well with the veggies. Keep stirring for about 2 minutes so that the corn blends beautifully with the veggies. And finally, just add 2 to 3 drops of lemon for that fresh, tangy kick. And that's it. Our crispy corn is ready to serve hot. This snack is just perfect to enjoy in the rainy season with a hot cup of coffee. You can also make it healthier for kids by adding more vegetables. Try this recipe and let us know how you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes.